Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. Similar to the sum function that we saw in the last session, there are few other functions like the count and the average functions. Here, we will see how the count function works. See the function results with the data in the left side table. Count function returns the number of numeric values in a range. The date is also considered as number. Count A function returns the number of values in a range, all including numbers, characters except blanks. COUNTUNIQUE function counts the number of unique values in a list of specified values and ranges. COUNTBLANK function returns the number of empty cells in the given range. Mode function does not return counts but returns the most commonly occurring value in the range. There are few other functions like the SUMIF and the SUMIFS function which works as shown in the sheet. Please compare the result column with the data in the left side table. COUNTIF function returns a conditional count across the range. COUNTIFS function returns the count of range depending on multiple criteria. COUNTUNIQUEIFS function returns the unique count of range depending on multiple criteria. Keep practicing with your own data to get to know the use of these functions perfectly. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.